Hey friends, hey y'all. So today I'm showing you guys a room tour of Grand Shores at Myrtle Beach. We'll first take a look at the room, then we'll move over to the pools, and lastly I'll take you guys outside so you can get a view of the building itself and how you actually walk to the beach. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. Hey guys, I'm doing a quick room tour of room 1231 at the Grand Shores in Myrtle Beach. This is the view from the hallway from our room. We're on the 12th floor. There is carpet here, but no carpet in the inside, and your door is out in the open. So let's go ahead and enter. All right, so as soon as you come in, you have the 2 beds here. Of course, we are checking out, so it is lived in, but you can still see the room itself. So just don't look at how the beds are, look at the whole room itself. So these are the 2 beds on this side, and there's a nightstand in the middle. And we have a phone, a basic phone, basic clock, and we do have some outlets here and a USB port there. On the right side, when you enter, you see there is a TV and a few dressers at the bottom that we didn't use. Oh, look at this. That's the seagull. That's cute. We have the suitcase holder and an extra chair here and a mirror. Hey guys, I'm super tanned, by the way. So over here in the corner there is a closet. We have our extra pillows that we didn't use and some more extra pillows, but under here is the safe. So here's the safe tucked away in the closet. Once you leave the first area, you enter this very small kitchen. There is a door here that you can close off. Another closet to the right. And then at the bottom there was nothing there, but we have our dirty towels there. And then they also have the iron and the broom and ironing board in this closet. We're in the kitchen now. It's a full-size refrigerator, a very small little sink area, and a stove with the microwave and a coffee pot. So this stuff we're leaving, but this is what's in the refrigerator and the size of the refrigerator. It's a full-size refrigerator. And then we have some ice cream left over. Let's see, these cabinets, it was nothing in this one. No pots and pans, but they do give you the basics. So you do have the cups and plates and bowls and silverware, measuring cup. They give you dish detergent, a wash rag, and dishcloth, which we use to dry the dishes. In the microwave, there's a Pyrex dish, and I don't think anything is up here. Oh, it is something up here. So here we have a toaster and a strainer. Now we're going to the bathroom, which is on the left side, lived-in bathroom, but you can still see, as I said, and they have the little pictures there. And this is a little stand here, which is really nice. We put our toiletries on there because it's a very small area. So toilet, and as you can see, it's a small sink area. So if you have multiple people here, you're not going to have enough room. Here's another mirror, and there's the lights there. And here is the practical bathtub. It's just a regular bathtub. They did renovate. They put this new thing up here. So we do have some sand in here and some hair because we just washed our hair. Well, DJ just washed his hair. They went to the pool this morning before checkout. It's another closet right here where they have the AC unit. Let's move into the last room, and we have a kitchen table here, and they have a little bar area. You know what? I never looked in here. Let's see. There's some stuff in here. I don't know what this stuff is for. It looks like it's another silverware thing, and then down here I'm not sure what that is, and I'm not gonna touch it because I didn't spray any of that stuff down there. Some more sand on top. Another area for drawers. It's a second TV back here, and a little place for more storage. On this side you have a chair far in the back. Lots of lamps in here because the room is actually kind of dull, to be honest. And can we have another light here? Let's see. Yeah, there's some more light. That is actually a pull-out couch, which we didn't know, but it is a pull-out couch. And depending on how many kids you have, they also have a Murphy bed. So this is a Murphy bed. Okay, so I put the Murphy bed away, and as you can see, it's a whole big space there for like entertainment or whatever you need. I feel like it's cleaner when there isn't a rug because you can easily sweep and spray and mop or do whatever you want to do. Let's head to the balcony. This is the balcony. It's a very private balcony, but small. Enough room for 2 chairs. And this is our view from the balcony. We have a side view. So we have like a neighborhood view. And then over here is the beach, which is good enough for me. Straight down is the rooftop pools. So you see the jacuzzis here, and then the pool, and some more jacuzzis back there. But I'm gonna take you guys down there so you can get a better look. It's Tuesday, so everyone pretty much has gone home for today. I mean for the Labor Day weekend. All right, so I'll take you down so you can get a closer look at the pool. So come on guys. So I'm on the elevator. We have the rooftop pool, floor 7, and then the indoor and the oceanfront pool are on floor 1. So I'm gonna take y'all so you can take a look at those. We're on floor 7 of the rooftop pool. And this is the smallest lazy river I've ever seen. I think it's a lazy river. Yeah, it is, because the tubes are over there. So this is definitely a lazy river. And these are the jacuzzis. They're all 3 feet, so. And there's a little pool over here. And back there, there's 2 more jacuzzis that are just like the 2 right here. This is a view from the 7th floor. Okay, so they're waiting in the car for me, but I'm gonna take you guys and show you guys the pool on the 1st floor, and I'm gonna show you the indoor pool. So let's go. If you stay on the 7th floor or below, there's a chance that your room could be facing the garage, the parking deck. These are rooms here, and this is the parking deck. Probably recommend staying, if you're not oceanfront, to stay on the 8th floor or higher. here's the indoor pool this way. Let's go check it out. Okay. So this is a very small little pool here. We didn't even come in this area, but this is nice. Yeah, the little mushroom waterfalls I absolutely love. And then there's a pool over here with some loungers. It's hot in here. We're off to the last pool. This is the, it was so hot in there, y'all. And this is the oceanfront pool. So you have the Connect 4 right here. It's a little play area with some restrooms and cornhole. All right, we're off to the last pool. This way. Pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, it's not too bad. It's a lazy river. And a pool with lots of seating area. It's 13 floors. 13th floor is the penthouse, and we were on the 12th floor. This is where you walk down to the beach. The beach is right there. That's the parking garage at the bottom. And then you can just take this road out. Okay guys, this concludes the room tour. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I am